Alrighty, I have a confession to make. I like big cases, like fat, juicy, protective cases on my phones because I drop them all the time. And the last thing I'm going to do is drop my phone, pick it up, and see a big giant crack across the screen because I've seen that before. So the folks at KPON were kind enough to send me over this. So I figured I'd open it up and give you all a look at it too. What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and this is the KPON wireless charger. But what's special about this is that it is suitable for ultra thick phone cases. It has a 10 millimeter charging distance. And I know that in the past I've bought all sorts of chargers, charging plates, charging stands that just don't work with those larger cases. So I'm actually pretty excited to try this one out. So let's open her up. So in the box here, we have a USB to USB-C cable. That's very nice. We have the charging plate itself. And we have a USB-C to USB-A converter, which is also very nice in case you don't want to use up one of your USB-C ports. But it should be noted that this does use the USB-C because it does support up to 15 watts of charging. So it should be responsive to the fast charging of your devices. And again, I want to note that this is not specifically a MagSafe charger. It is a QI charger. This QI charger will work for Apple, Samsung, basically any phone that has sort of that wireless charging technology. So let's get this thing plugged in and try it out. And one thing you might have noticed is it doesn't come with a charging block. So I will just go ahead and use the one that I have here that I tested earlier in one of my videos where we went through all my different charging blocks to see which ones work the best. And my ultimate goal here is to actually test this for ease of use and how far can we really get from this thing before it stops charging. I have a phone over here with an Otter Box in it that we will try out. So it looks like it's pretty simple, straightforward, just plugging in the USB-C cable. And this is a super speed cable, if you can see that. That means it does support the faster charging speeds. So this phone here is my iPhone with the Otter Box on it, as you can see. And this one, I always have a hard time with any sort of wireless charging. And there it goes. No issue at all. Very nice. That's it. Review done. Buy it. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to try a couple other things here. I actually am interested to see how far away I can put this thing. I'm going to slowly move it in until it starts charging. All right, so that's charging right there, and the distance is about that far. Interesting. Wow, that's a good amount of distance. Yep. So they do state on the product that it should charge through pop sockets, wallets on the back of your phone. I think that one of the concerns is if you do have like a credit card inside that wallet, you definitely don't want to use it because any sort of charging device, whether it's this one or any other charging device, may demagnetize your credit card. One other thing to note too is that it will work with like your AirPods. These are the Tozo headphones that I reviewed earlier. So like I said, any QI sort of charging device, any sort of wireless device, it will work for. So let's go ahead and put a couple of thick, juicy things between the phone and the charger and see how it works. All right, let's give the plastic a try that it came. Actually, let's give the box a try that it came with. That's disappointing. That would have been nice. Oh, it does work. I wasn't expecting that to work. Wow, that's pretty impressive. It's charging. All right, well, there's proof that it does work at a distance. All right, so if you look at that box, it's a pretty thick box. Went through it. Not a solid box, though, so let's see what else we can try. All right, so I got my copy of Red Dead Redemption here. It's actually got all the CDs and stuff in it. Let's see if this works. Got to align it just right. Oh, all right. That works. It's charging through there. Dang. That's nice. All right. Now, standard pack of playing cards. This one, I don't think it'll work. It's got all the cards inside. I would be quite surprised if this ended up working. And it's charging. I mean, I wouldn't have even expected it to charge through here. It probably has to be lined up just perfect. Well, it's charging. Wow. All right. Looks like we might have a winner on this one, guys. Thanks again for the folks at KPON for sending this over. This was provided by them. So they told me that when I review this product, it's up to me, whatever style I want to do, whatever I want to say. They believe in their product that much. So that's what we did. Again, it's the KPON wireless phone charger. It works with pop sockets, Otter boxes, thick cases up to 10 millimeters, 15 watts max. I will leave the link down below if you're interested. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. That would really help me out a lot. Always trying to get this little number over here to pump up a little bit. And click like while you're down there. But for now, this is Carl from Technical Goodies. Say it with me, and I'm out.